All right, so we've got the Bona floor cleaner. We've also got the Bona floor cleaning solution. It comes with this bottle right here. It easily attaches. When you run out of solution, you can buy more solution and you fill this up with it. And then you've also got the Bona pad that goes on the bottom of this. It just Velcros right on. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to do a little run through right now. So you throw that on the floor. Now it's on. And so the best part about this, it's small, lightweight, doesn't take up much space, it's easy to use, it gets the job done. And you're actually going to watch me use it for the first time. so here we go. So it squirts out, and then you go over it like that. Get it nice and clean. You can squirt it out again. There we go. Oh, dude, I'm a pro. It's easy to be a pro with this thing. That's the thing. So I'm going to do some more. Yep, here we go. Oh, dude, I should do this for a living. This is easy. I'll just do it with the Bona right here. Oh, I mean, I could keep going. Why not just keep going? It's fun. I'm having fun right now. All right. Okay, I know, and it's easy. So it is easy. And so Bona makes it easy. And as you can see, it gets the job done. Highly recommend.